Hello everyone, welcome to day 98 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the 3D wave stitch. So this stitch is done on a multiple of 3 double crochet foundation chains. So for my starting row, I have a multiple of 3, that is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 12. I have 12 stitches here, which is a multiple of 3. And then for the next row, you're going to start off by making 3 chains and turn your work. Into the next stitch, you're going to make 3 double crochet stitches all into the same space. So we started off with a chain 3, and into the next stitch we are making 3 double crochet stitches. And now chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and into the next one you're again going to make 3 double crochet stitches. Again chain 3, skip 2 and make 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 3, skip 2 and make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, so here you can see I have one more stitch left where we'll be making 1 double crochet. So we start off with the chain 3 and end with 1 double crochet. So this is what your pattern should look like. Now for the next row, if you want, you can change colors here. I'm going to continue with the same color. Chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet, turn your work, and we are going to make 3 front post double crochet stitches onto the third double crochet from the first cluster. So this is the last double crochet, this is the first 3 double crochet cluster. This is DC1, DC2 and DC3. Into DC3 we are going to make 3 front post double crochet cluster stitch. Okay. Yeah. Now again chain 3 and make 3 double crochet front post cluster onto that third DC from the next cluster. So this is the pattern repeat which we'll be making over and over again until you want the length that you require, until you reach the length that you require, right? Here we are at the last stitch. You can already see the wave pattern forming. This is the previous row's last stitch or the turning chain. On top of that you'll be making 1 double crochet stitch. Okay. Now again chain 3, turn your work into the very first cluster's third double crochet. We'll be making 3 front post double crochet stitches, chain 3, and again into the next one you'll be making a front post double crochet stitch. So that's it. You have to just repeat this row over and over again. Make sure to start your row with a chain 3 and end it with a double crochet stitch. So that's what will give you straight edges. So do try out this pattern. If you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can also reach us out on our Instagram page. And I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.